How to fix common problems on state sheet login issues. So, to fix the common state sheet login issues, first you want to try basic troubleshootings like verifying your credentials and clearing your browser cache as well. If you want to clear the browser's cache, you want to click onto the three dot icon, scroll down, locate the settings options from here, and go to cache delimitations from the list. When you do this, the problem might be fixed, as well as you might want to check your or double check your credentials as well. Sometimes there could be a typos or an error, so you want to check that as well. Next, you also want to make sure that you've not used any sort of VPNs or any sort of extension. You want to delete or disable that for a while, and check your internet as well. Sometimes it could be due to the poor connectivity. Make sure to check whether you're connected to a stable internet or not. However, if the issue still persists on, you want to make sure to receive or make sure to check your two-factor authentication as well, or a token issue could be that, or it could be an inactive on a site for a certain period, usually around 30 minutes. So simply you want to log in again with your credential that might be able to fix. So this way you should be able to fix your login problem for your state sheet. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.